Hey y'all, so today I decided to make me a shirt. I have like some blank shirts laying around, and I said, okay, well, the darker one, I wanted to create a design on it with some bleach. Now, the bleach that I used is, it was kind of old, and I added a little bit more to it, and it's more of one of those weaker brands, but it worked out a little bit. I'm still feeling the result. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I used a plastic hanger that I had in a trash bag and pretty much put it through there. And I will take the t-shirt and hang it on this, on the outside, of course. That way it gives me a little extra layer of protection for when I decide to use the bleach to spray it. Now what I'm going to do is try to lay the t-shirt as flat as possible, because I do have a little bit of lumps and bumps all over the top. And once I do that, I have like a stencil that I am going to use. I bought this at the $1.25 store. It was around Halloween time, and I think I have a few of them, and I just kind of hold on to them because they're really, really cool. When it comes to making shirts, the first time I made one of these, I had a black shirt and I had much stronger Clorox, and I liked how it came out. So I decided to go ahead and do the same thing with this purple shirt, and I had to go and add some more because it was like halfway full and it was a struggle. So uh, I like to start off by going around the perimeter first when I do get my bottle in order, because that basically kind of gives me my outline, and then I kind of go in and fill in like all of the holes on the inside of the stencil to make it a bit easier, like so. So as you can see, I have much more pressure here, and it's much more coming out. Of course, I should have at least put like a little mask on. I do have one, but anyway, I'm just gonna spray. And generally, of course, these are recommended to do it. It's recommended that you have a lot of ventilation because, of course, you're using a toxic chemical. I do have a lot of ventilation going on right now, so I'm okay. And as you can see, I'm just making like random spots around the front of the shirt. I'm not really concerned about the back because I really don't want any color on the back. And this is pretty much what I did. And I did go in a little bit more because I wanted the tint to come out a little better. So this is the finished product of the t-shirt. I actually thought it was adorable, and yeah, I can't wait to do my next one.